Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll cover a step-by-step roadmap for beginners in quantum computing. These are the timestamps. I've listed them down below in the description box as well. Feel free to skip to any part that you would like to watch first. Let's talk about the prerequisites. You will need to have a basic understanding of linear algebra as well as Python. Qubits and quantum gates are represented using matrices, hence requiring linear algebra. I've listed resources for these two down below. Please refer to them. Resources for quantum computing. Now begins your actual journey into quantum computing. There are multiple quantum SDKs out there, such as Cirq by Google, QSharp by Microsoft, etc. I prefer Qiskit by IBM to begin with. That's what I began with too. IBM Quantum has multiple free resources online to help you in learning quantum computing. They have friendly and helpful quantum communities on Discord and Slack for all your doubts. For this roadmap, I'll be using Qiskit as the SDK of choice. IBM has integrated their Qiskit textbook as well as tutorials into their new IBM Quantum Learning platform. I would suggest you to complete the IBM Quantum Learning as well as documentation sections first. You can also make use of the IBM Composer and Lab to aid in better visual understanding of qubits and quantum gates. Another great resource is the Qiskit YouTube channel. They have something for everyone. Follow this by completing the Qiskit Global Summer School 2023 videos. Beginner-friendly quantum courses. Coming to courses now, I would like to suggest the year-long quantum computing course by the Coding School's Qubit by Qubit. It's a beginner-friendly course that covers prerequisites of quantum computing and goes up to applications of quantum computing. This year-long course is divided into 2 semesters and includes a mandatory final project. This course requires a weekly commitment of 5 to 10 hours. They also provide a weekly session with teaching assistants, giving you the benefit to clear your doubts one-on-one. In previous years, they've taught quantum computing using Qiskit, but this year will feature Cirq. I've personally taken this course and suggest it to anyone who can commit 1 year to it. It's a paid course but offers partial and full scholarships as well. Look out for this year's applications this fall. QOL's diplomas are yet another great resource that provide certifications as well. Their courses run all year round and are in various languages of instruction as well as various time zones. Please note that the assignments and exams are in English. Begin with the Q Bronze Diploma. Follow this by Q Silver and Q Nickel, which are a notch higher in difficulty. These courses only require a commitment of 2 weeks. These are a great way to apply your beginner level knowledge as they provide multiple graded assignments and examinations. Thank you, that's all I wanted to cover in this roadmap. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell below to stay updated. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.